गोंयांत आनीक 30 कोवीड दुयेंतींची बेरेस्तारा दीस नोंद जाल्या. राज्यांतल्या कोवीड दुयेंतींचो आंकडो आतां 417चेर पावला. तातूंतले सुमार 67 जाण बरे जाल्यात. जाल्यार 350 जाणांचेर कोवीड इस्पितळांत उपचार चालू आसात. बेरेस्तारा दीस नोंद जाल्ल्या 30 दुयेंतींतले 13 जाण मांगूर हिल वाठारांतले आसात, 3 जाण बायणा गोंयचे आसात, 4 जाण गोंया भायल्यान आयिल्ले प्रवासी आसात, जाल्यार 9 जाण दुयेंतींच्या संबंदांत आयिल्ले गोंयांतले हेर वाठारांतले आसात. तातूंत 3 जाण चिंबलचे आसात, अशी माहिती भलायकी खात्याची सचीव नीला मोहननान पणजेंत पत्रकार परिशद घेवन दिल्या.
We have 30 new cases today. 13 of them are from Mangur Hill. I'm giving the breakup because there was a request from all of you that there needs to be a breakup. So 13 are from Mangur Hill. 3 are from Baina, linked to Mangur Hills. There is one case from Dharbandora also, which is linked to again Mangur Hill. Train, there are 3 persons who have been tested positive who came in from Mumbai. There is 1 person from Road. And then there are the contacts of the positive people who have already been identified. So there are 9 such contacts. So the total number is 30. That brings our total number of active cases to 350. We received 2,526 samples over the last 24 hours and we have tested 2,029. I can give you only verified information. Now the verified information is this, that we had 3 cases confirmed from Chimbel, all members of the same family. This is the family of our security guard who used to work, who is an employee of our urban health center, Vasco. He is a resident of Chimbel. He and his family members have been found positive. Now, as a result of this, we have been doing, yesterday also, we took today as well as yesterday, we have taken samples of people from Chimbel. What I understand is that there is some apprehension that certain people near our market of Panjim have come into contact with this family in Chimbel. This is a verified information that I have, if that is what you're referring to.
You spoke about contact tracing.
Yes.
Well, what happens if a person who has a message, who has got a message that is found to be positive and suddenly disappears, like it has happened in Panjim? It's now the mayor has called up a press conference.
Yes.
So what happens after that? Because it would be difficult for you.
Yes. Now see, we assume that a person gives us authentic information. As I've shared with you in the past also, they give us a self-declaration form in which we have quoted all the legal provisions that bind them down to give us the true address, the true identity and all of that. Despite this, you are right that there is one case which was found positive. Now, the Panjim link is not ascertained in that particular case. I will tell you why. Because that person has given a very vague address. He has given a very, very vague address, and when we have inquired into it, we have not found the address to be a valid address. Parallelly, because we had activated the police chain and they did the call location, the location of your SIM card, what is that called? Call tracing. That has been done. And they have got to know that in Delhi police, there is a record that this person is officially a missing person as per Delhi police records. So we can assume that this person is actually a resident of Delhi. He is a missing person, and if you ask me how he has landed up here in Goa, I too don't have an answer as of now. So the administration and the police since yesterday have been trying to sort and trace back all the links. And that is how we got to know this information. So that is why I said verified information. What we have got as verified information is what I am in a position to share with you.
No, why I asked is because the mayor himself said that there might be a number of people who might have got come into contact with.
You see, we don't even know, meaning we don't know who this person is. If someone knows this person, please come forward and inform us, because we are trying to find out this person. The information that we have, as I shared with you, is that he is an officially missing person as per police records. Now the police records of the entire country are linked with each other as per the National the Bureau of Police's records. It's a completely computerized system. So when our SP North's office tried to find out, this is a record that they have got. And they are still, of course, trying to follow those links. So that way it becomes difficult for us to then say anything about that person's authenticity. If anyone knows anything about this person, please come forward and inform us. In fact, it will help us.
So the source of his infection is unclear.
We don't even know who this person is. Only we get the person, can we inquire with the person, where all have you been, where have you travelled from. But this much I can tell you, that it is a link to Delhi. There is a link to Delhi. That and by the way, this person, naturally we have the self-declaration form. He has said that he has arrived here on a train from Delhi. That is the second link there. So he is naturally established to be a person who has entered into Goa from outside.
When was this, in which lot was this guy tested?
In which
Yesterday?
lot? Sorry, I
Was
can't-
it yesterday?
We got his results yesterday, sometime during the day. And then since that time, both collector as well as SP have been trying to find
Because
out.
henceforth with the new SOP, I don't think any of this sort will happen because the person is quarantined till the results come, right?
That's true. That's true. No, not mandatory. The person can also ask for a test to be done. Either way, yes. The
Yeah.
person. Yeah.
Until the result comes, he is quarantined in a place.
Yes,
no? So
yes.
there's no question of somebody.
That's right. That's right.